Everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. And what a crazy day. So we've got the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. The announcement, I think, is going to be a big deal. It's going to set the tone for the rest of the year, which I know is only a whopping 2 weeks, but it's an important meeting. A lot of people are asking, like, hey, are we going to get some quantitative easing? I mean, the Russian ruble was halted today. Oil's falling off a cliff. Now, even though that the market has been selling off, pretty bad. I mean, keep it in perspective. I mean, it's come a long way. So we've been down this road before. I think the thing that's really kind of, for lack of a better term, freaking people out is that you're seeing key stocks just getting destroyed. Tesla, of course, has been a favorite for a long time, and that thing is just getting hammered. Today, Google. Here's a stock that was kind of, not that long ago, was, kind of rocking on all cylinders. I mean, this thing was at, it's like $600, and now here we are below $500. Okay, I mean, that's telling the market something right there. Priceline, I mean, that was kind of a high riser for a while, and now it's just kind of rolling over. So we're seeing more and more of these kind of very, very volatile type stocks. Oil, of course, just continues to sell off. And then even stocks that have been, pretty decent. It's like, wow, that stock's been holding up great. It's been having good patterns like ILMN and ILMN. This is one that has provided some good trading opportunities in the past, but now it's just kind of like, psst, the steam is being let out of it, right? And another one I've been watching here, Baidu. Okay, it's not, it's going through that 89 period moving average. It's having a tough time. We're kind of on the cusp there again of something just kind of really turning into more volatile. So I am going to be watching the FOMC meeting and just kind of like, all right, what kind of language are they looking for? What the market wants to hear is that they're going to come out and say, hey, you know what? I know we've been aggressive about winding up quantitative easing, but, we're going to consider that we may not wind it up as quickly as we thought. That's all the market's looking for, and from there, it would rally. But to be honest, I think that the market, without that language, I do think the market will sell off tomorrow, but then I think it will hold up and be fine. Okay, I mean, the reality of it is money is flowing into U.S. assets. That is as evidenced here by TLT. Okay, and not all of the sectors here are falling apart. Yes, energy is, but XLP, consumer staples, healthcare. I mean, there's let's look at XL or there's healthcare there. Oh, let's look at healthcare here real quick. So you can see healthcare here. I mean, it's like, wow, this thing has really come down, but compare the money flow out of healthcare compared to the money flow out of energy, right? So that's kind of what we're talking about, is that, money is a little nervous right now, and it's just kind of like, where is, money coming out of? And it's not really coming out of healthcare. It's definitely coming out of energy, and it's coming out of Google. And what we're looking at for tomorrow is that the FOMC kind of confirms its policy. Everybody kind of knows once it confirms its policy, then you kind of get directed on, oh, this is where money's going to go then. This is where foreign cash is going to go. And that is how it is set up there. Now, for those of you that may be a little tired of all the volatility, Bruce has put together a quick 2-hour class, and it's called Set It and Forget It Strategy Class. Okay, simpleroptions.com/set it and forget it. This will be this upcoming Wednesday from 8 to 10 East Coast time. That's 7 to 9 Central time. And, what do we mean by set it and forget it? And this means that you don't have to stare at the charts all day. This means that you don't have to, worry about the volatility that we're seeing, okay? You don't have to babysit it. And he's just going to talk about his ongoing process with guidelines to help you put this plan into place. And it's one of the oldest option strategies, stuff that he learned at the fund that he traded. It's very time tested. It's hands off, no adjustments. Okay, and that's kind of a nice thing. You don't have to actually sit there and watch it and do defense and different things like that. Very conservative income strategy. It's essentially one of the strategies that has one of the lowest costs in terms of commissions. how to provide good stock and ETF candidates for the trade, and he'll provide a short list there. How to set up trades quickly, easily, correctly. Essentially just kind of help to understand it so that the consistent income starts coming in right away, giving some real world examples, and really going by step. And if you're not available there on Wednesday, that's fine. It'll be recorded. And again, this is just one of those kind of quick classes. It's a nice, simple strategy. And if you're not aware of it, he'll go through, take you through it, and it's just $97. Okay. So anyway, with the volatility that we've seen in this market, thought that would be a great idea. And there you go. All right. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.